Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside the box with which device comes. So first thing that we got here, this is the Samsung pen, the original one. Also we got here the box with the SIM tool, and here we got inside this box some paperwork, like the warranty letter and quick start guide. And also the second box is with the USB-C cable. So that's it. That are the all box accessories with which our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra comes by default. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.